guys, as you can see, I'm obviously not at work. I decided I should go ahead and probably show you what it looks like. It's a Porsche GT3 RS 4.0, little $20 car, like I said. You can see I throw the camera in there, it's a little crooked. Might be in the video too, so. But yeah, here's the little runner right here. Honorable mention. Product placement, no, I'm kidding. Hey guys, Liz FPV here. So this next video, I saw a couple, I guess popular YouTubers, I guess FPV YouTubers at least. They're really into cars, I guess. Somebody said something about FPVing a car, and I was like,
that's a great idea. I'm with that.
So I decided to hop on the bandwagon and FPV'd a car myself. Now this car is like a, I don't know, $20 Walmart car. But if it has electronics, I mean, you can FPV whatever you want, really. Essentially power and negative. But with that being said, this next video is going to be a little on the longer side. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share. And the reason why I'm doing this, obviously you guys can see I'm at work right now. The reason why I'm doing this video at work, one, because it's the only time I have to do anything. Two, because the video is actually taking place here in a warehouse. So where I'm at currently, and so I got to do a little drive through the warehouse, a little check out some of the freight and stuff. It was kind of fun. FPV edit. I should have put the Insta360 Go on it. Now I'm thinking about it. HD footage, but it'll be. I mean, it's DVR. It's pretty good. So I also had to gray out some of the areas of the flight. So my outside drives will actually have some color to them because the gray. I don't know. You can see in my B-Brain brushless video. That I have on my YouTube channel as well, that I actually flew in here. You can see how it kind of gets a really bad color coding on it for some reason, flashing. Obviously it's a metal building, so I'm not surprised. So it's the reason for the gray video and all, but overall it's a fun place to this is where I usually do my flying and do my driving. Fun place to do it all, and I just thought I'd let you guys see.